Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kathy the Crafty Chica. I have a special guest crafter today. This is my puppy Bootsy. He's not a puppy anymore, but a puppy at heart. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make some really fun corner fold open cards. I saw this technique on Lisa's Stamp Studio. I loved this technique and I'm using my Crafty Chica papers that are on the Home Shopping Network. I have the link in the description and they're just super cute because you could use so many different types of papers to give it contrast. Okay, let's make some cards. Here's a close-up of the Crafty Chica paper pad. We're going to be using the 6x6 pad, and you're going to need a piece of cardstock measuring 8.5 by 11. You want to cut it diagonally from corner to corner. This probably won't fit in your paper cutter, so you could use a craft knife or just draw a pencil line and use your scissors, whatever it takes. This is going to make 2 cards. From here, you're going to take one corner and fold it down to the other corner and bring that other flap down, and you're going to have a standard card size, but it's going to open from the side. Now it's time to choose our papers that we're going to use for the accents. I'm looking through here to find some papers that will match, and I'm going to cut each piece to 4 inches by 5 inches. This is just the right size so that the color of your cardstock will peek out around the paper, and then you want to cut those pieces diagonally. But before you cut, consider the direction of the paper because the top half has to be cut specifically for the top half and the bottom for the bottom. So make sure you do that before you cut that beautiful paper. After that, you're going to use your adhesive of choice to add each triangle to the front of the card. Choose a color from the papers that you used and cut some cardstock, again 4 inches by 5 inches, and glue that to the center of the inside of the card. This will just give it a little punch, and then you can add some more embellishments. I'm going to use one of the sentiments that I designed. This is inside of the 6x6 Crafty Chica paper pad, and I had so much fun designing these. They're all themed around positivity. These are great to make ahead of time because we all have that friend who needs a hug of happiness, right? So why not make a card for them? And because I'm making the main sentiment about shining, I have to use glittered cardstock for the back. So I took some dimensional dots, put them on the back of the sentiment, and I just placed it on top of the glittered cardstock, and I cut that out so that I can put that in the center of the card. Decide where you want to place the sentiment, and remember you're only going to be gluing this to 1/2 of the card on the front so that it will be able to open. So I chose the upper corner and I used a glue stick. You can use whatever glue that you want, and now I'm going to add a little image inside of the card to bring it all together. And of course you can also add more paper on the inside flaps if you wanted. And there you have it. It's pretty easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm also on TikTok at Crafty Chica. You can go to craftychica.com to see even more crafty ideas. And I'm also on Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter, all under Crafty Chica. Thanks guys, bye-bye.